Hello everyone, Sans here. In this video, we will unboxing Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This phone was launched in the first quarter of 2019. Okay, let's check what's inside the box right now. Let's open the plastic cover. We will just cut it from the back. Now let's open the box. First, we got the serial number. Then, at the top of the box, there is a SIM tray ejector. And in this box, we also got a transparent case. The case is a type of hard case and not a soft case. Let's put the case first. Then we also get a manual book, how to transfer content from an old phone. There is also a quick start guide. Then this is how to transfer content in Indonesia, and also a brief guidebook in Indonesia as well. Okay, let's put aside everything first. It's clean now, so let's check the smartphone device. On the front there are two cameras. On the back there are three cameras, one flashlight, and also a heart rate sensor. The back design is curved, just like some previous generation of Samsung flagship smartphone. At the top there is a SIM tray. The SIM tray only supports one card and one hybrid slot. The hybrid slot can only be used for SIM card or micro SD card. On the right there is a power button. And in the front, of course, there are two cameras. On the left, there is a volume button and a Bixby button. Now, let's power up the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. In this part, the video was not speed up, so you can see how long it will take to power on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, this is the first look of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's go. Click next. Then let's keep some settings that are not necessary at this point. I'll skip this email login for now. Then for Google service, let's just accept it. Now let's try to set up the fingerprint. Maybe before we set up the fingerprint, let's check out other contents in the box first, so later we can focus only on the smartphone itself. The adapters in the box is an adaptive fast charging adapter. Then we also get the USB Type-C adapter to USB-A. Then there is also a USB Type-C cable and also one earphone from AKG. The strap is covered with fabric material. There is also replacement ear tips for this AKG earphone for smaller or larger size. Now let's check the smartphone. Here is the initial display of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. The One UI on this device makes the icon large now to make it easier when using a mobile phone with one hand. Let's go to setting first. For the operating system, it is already used the latest one, Android Pie 9.0. Now let's check the fingerprint setting. We need to register the fingerprint first. After this, we'll test the fingerprint speed on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Because I'm not used to it yet, I guess it will be a little bit difficult to use. I hope it can get faster in a week or two, when the device has learned my usual fingerprint position. When you only use it for a day, I think it will be difficult to guess the fingerprint position from the screen off, because you don't know for sure the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner position on this device. The important part is, by using ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, your device is more secure than other phones which use optical fingerprint sensor. Now, before we test the fingerprint, let's open several applications first to see how the fluidity of One UI when you use the phone in moving from one application to another. The process is so smooth and the response is fast. For my first impression, the speed is very impressive. The response is also very fast. Now let's check out the fingerprint on this phone. Let's turn off the screen. Let's try again. The unlocking speed is fast enough when you are more familiar with this in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and you are more used to the position. It will get faster to unlock. Okay, that's all for the unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you like other videos about smartphone and gadgets just like this one, consider subscribing to this channel and also click the bell icon so that you are the first to know when there's a new video on this channel. Click thumbs up button if you like this video. See you in the next one.